Gadget Girl here on day 80, setting out from Virginia 311. Should see McAfee knob today. Fun new Appalachian Trail workout. The Stairmaster. Much more interesting than the gym version. We're passing John Spring Shelter. Looks like a really small shelter. Lots of shelters in this area. We have now come to Catawba Mountain Shelter. It's like another small one.
Yay, Appalachian Trail.
I'm here at the famed McAfee knob. Great views from up here. More views just beyond McAfee. There's a really nice campsite here, complete with picnic table, just north of McAfee Knob. Trail's not been too bad today. There are a few rocks here and there. Climbing up towards McAfee was a little bit of a chore in the heat, but all in all, definitely better trail than yesterday. Campbell Shelter and a privy over that direction. Mount Laurel are beautiful on the trail again today. Lovely view here. Hey, the trail is not being nice again. We just came across that outcropping. There's a storm blowing up and we gotta go up this. Promised thunderstorm did indeed open up on us. Seems to have passed. So on we go. A little wetter. Another little newt here. He's all curled up. I don't think he likes the wet trail. Here's another one, and he is so teensy. He is like less than 2 inches long, including the tip of his tail. Tiny little guy. Trail's going through some big old rocks here. And more rocks. And now we get to go under big rocks. Actually, we discovered you do not go through the rock. You turn right before the rock. Of course, we went through the rock, but soon now we were off trail. We're back on track now, though. And look at these pretty little red flowers right under that white blaze. And we've made it to Tinker Cliffs and the views from the cliffs. Gorgeous. More great views. actually walking pretty much right along the edge of the cliffs. That's the trail. More cliff edge walking. Wow. Reached Scorched Earth Gap, and for a change we are actually going to take a side trail. We're going to take the Andy Lane Trail down to where our car is parked. This broke this section up into two. It's a long side trail, but we were worried about doing it all as one section, so decided to do it this way.